Warmly welcome all of you to this event, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an intensive country-wide campaign which will focus on citizen partnership to be converted into Jan Andolan, where small changes at the local level will add up the significant national gains. Our institute, PDPM, IIITDM Jabalpur, with Baird Institute, IIIT Dharwad, has scheduled to celebrate the national-wide Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate the 75th years of India independence in a befitting manner as per the schedule drawn by the Government of India. In this context, today we are conducting a singing group songs. So to start the event, I would like to call Mr. Sahaj Jain, coordinator of SAJ, the music club. Okay, over to you, Sahaj.
Thank you, sir. A very good evening, everyone. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here before you, virtually unfortunately, and welcome you all to the celebration of our independence. When Harpreet sir told me about this event under the EBSB scheme, I was excited for the collaboration. And even more than that, I was glad to have this event focused on the joyous occasion of our independence. I thank Nihar, the coordinator from IIIT Dharwad side, and all the performers here today for collaborating with us. I hand this over to Siddharth. Siddharth, take it away.
Hello everyone, I am Siddharth. I am the co-coordinator of SAS, the music club of IIIT DMJ. And a very good evening to all. So in true honesty, when Harpreet sir told us that we'd be collaborating with students from IIIT Dharwad, there was a bit of apprehension as to how would we be able to collaborate with students from an entirely different college. And we have never even met them, and that too in an online format. But we were proven wrong, and the code that music is a universal language was made evident to us. We had a very fun time preparing with the students at IIIT Dharwad, and it just shows that students from different batches, different branches, and different colleges can come together and make good performances for the love of music and the love of nation as well. So all in all, it was a very new and exciting experience for us. So we most definitely felt the spirit of the 75th Independence Day, the energy and the patriotism while practicing these songs, and we hope that you feel it too while watching our performances. So I think we should start with the first performance, and before we start, I think Udit, who has prepared this video, will like to speak something as to what it's about. Udit?
Jai Hind, myself Udit Kaushik. So the first performance for the day is Air Watan by SAS, the music club of IIIT DM Jabalpur. The performance is based on the music style called a cappella. A cappella is a music style where there's no use of musical instruments. And following that style, our performance has very minimal use of instruments. Majority of the sounds that you're gonna hear are either vocal or played with bare hands. The performers are Geetik, Shlok, Pulkit, and me myself, Udit Kaushik. So without taking any more time, let's get straight to our first performance for the day.
वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
है वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
है वतन मेरे वतन।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू,
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन
है वतन
मेरे वतन,
मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन
है वतन
मेरे वतन,
मेरे वतन,
आबाद
मेरे वतन,
रहे तू,
है वतन मेरे वतन,
आबाद
रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, आबाद रहे तू।
That was a very fabulous performance by Udit and his group. Online platform has its own challenges. Despite that fact, Udit and his group has done exceptionally well. Coming up next is Manya, who is going to recite a poem, an English poem, for us feeling proud.
Yeah, here it is. He lay silent under the tricolor, sleeping for eternity. The crying roars all around, the saluting soldiers, the respect march all unheard. The last sound he heard was the sound of enemies, the roar of the enemies against his country, the cry of his fellow men dying, all these sounds still ringing. Just one anguish. If he could have killed all those before going to the eternal sleep. The thoughts tormenting the soul, the thought of his country in danger, the thought of watching his men dying in his afterlife, the thought of not being able to help them, the thought that if he had been more careful, if he would have dodged that last bullet, or if he would have fired a second before. But doubts, doubts, and doubts. Did he fulfill his purpose? Did he do his best? Did he justify the stars on his shoulder? Did he make his country proud? With the proceedings, he proceeds out. Sees his corpse lying, wrapped in a flag, drenched with the loving tears, with the heavy thoughts, doubts taking over. Hears the proud daughter's tearful voice, a loud war cry. His soul lightens, doubts vanishes, tormenting thoughts die. He peacefully proceeds, feeling proud and numb. Thank you.
That was a truly beautiful performance, Panya. Completely heart-touching. So, hello everyone. This next performance is a collaborative performance between the students of Triple IT DM Jabalpur and Triple IT Dharwad. The students from Triple IT DM Jabalpur are Akshat Gundane, Siddharth Aris, Geetik Nimunkar, Lakshmi, and me, Aryan Bhatta. From IIIT Dharwad, we have Yashaswini Singh and Purnima. In this performance, we have selected some of the most popular patriotic songs, and we have tried our best to sing them and give them justice. A lot of hard work has been put into making this collaboration possible. So I hope you all enjoy it.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य हिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। भारत हमको जान से भी प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाई झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है।
It has been an immense honor to collaborate with IIIT Dharwad. The sheer talent present in the musicians of both our institutes is making me proud to be a IIIT. I hope you have liked the two song performances and the poem by Manya. In the spirit of Independence Day, it gives me immense pleasure to see you all watching our work. Up till now, it has been mainly SARS that has been showing our musicians. Up next is a performance by IIIT Dharwad.
तेरा रंग ऐसा चढ़ गया,
कोई और रंग ना चढ़ सके,
तेरा नाम सीने पे लिखा,
हर कोई आके पढ़ सके।
तेरा रंग ऐसा चढ़ गया, कोई और रंग ना चढ़ सके।
तेरा नाम सीने पे लिखा हर कोई आके पढ़ सके।
ये जुनून है, ये जुनून है, तेरे इश्क का ये जुनून है।
रग रग में इश्क तेरा दौड़ता, ये बाबरा सा खून है।
तूने ही सिखाया
सच्चाइयों का मतलब, तेरे पास आके जाना।
मैंने जिंदगी का मकसद
सत्यमेव 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 जयते।
सच्चा है प्यार मेरा,
सत्यमेव जयते, सत्यमेव 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 जयते।
तेरे नूर के दस्तूर में
ना सिलवटे ना शिकन रहे,
मेरी कोशिशें तो बस यही।
रहे खुशबुएं गुलशन रहे।
तेरी जुल्फ सुलझाने चला, तेरे और पास आने चला।
जहाँ कोई सुर ना बिसरा वो गीत मैं गाने चला। जहाँ कोई सुर ना बिसरा वो गीत मैं गाने चला। तूने ही सिखाया
सच्चाइयों का मतलब,
तेरे पास आके जाना,
मैंने जिंदगी का मकसद।
सत्यमेव सत्यमेव
सच्चा है प्यार मेरा।
सत्य जयते। सत्यमेव 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 जयते।
तेरा रंग ऐसा चढ़ गया,
तन साज और भी बढ़ गया।
तेरी बारिशों की करम है ये,
मैं निखर गया, मैं संवर गया।
जैसा भी हूँ अपना मुझे
मुझे ये नहीं है बोलना,
काबिल तेरे मैं बन सकूं।
मुझे द्वार ऐसा खोलना।
सांसों की इस रफ्तार को,
धड़कन के इस त्योहार को,
हर जीत को हर हार को, खुद अपने इस संसार को बदलूंगा मैं।
तेरे लिए
ये जुनून है, ये जुनून है,
तेरे इश्क का ये जुनून है,
रग रग में इश्क तेरा दौड़ता।
ये बाबरा सा खून है।
सत्यमेव 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 जयते।
सच्चा है प्यार मेरा,
सत्यमेव जयते।
सत्यमेव 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 जयते।
जो खुद को भी है तो बोलना, कहीं है कमी तो है बोलना।
कहीं दाग है तो छुपाएं क्यों, हम सच से नजरें हटाएं क्यों।
खुद को बदलना है अगर, बदलूंगा मैं तेरे लिए।
शोलों पे चलना है अगर, चल दूंगा मैं तेरे लिए।
मेरे खून की हर बूंद में संकल्प हो तेरे प्यार का।
काटो मुझे तो तू बहे, हो सुख रंग और हार का।
है जुनून है तेरे इश्क का ये जुनून है। रग रग में इश्क तेरा दौड़ता, ये बाबरा सा खून है।
सत्यमेव 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 जयते।
सच्चा है प्यार मेरा, सत्यमेव जयते। सच्चा है प्यार मेरा, सत्यमेव जयते।
That was a nice team effort. And now to conclude today's evening, I would like to introduce a special performance by IIIT Jabalpur. This is an instrumental performance of the national anthem, and to show unity and diversity, which is the heart and soul of our country, we have compiled 6 different instruments into one performance of the national anthem. I request everyone to rise in respect for the anthem, and I hope you enjoy this performance.
I would like to thank everyone for joining us. It has been a very great honor for collaborating with IIIT Dharwad, and I would like to thank everyone who made this possible. I'd like to call upon Nihar to present the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Sahaj. A big thank you to Dr. Harpreet Singh from IIIT DMG and Dr. Pawan Kumar from IIIT Dharwad for making this event possible and guiding us throughout the entire process. I express my gratitude to Mr. Sahaj Jain and the SARS Club for the smooth process of the event. I would also like to thank upon all the performers of the event and thank you everyone for attending this event, and it was a great honor to watch all of you. Thank you.